Hello and welcome back to Macuse Signature Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make a rich, silky, and velvety chocolate mousse. This dessert is smooth, creamy, and perfect for any occasion.
Macuse signature kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
For this recipe, you will need 1¼ cup of semi-sweet chocolate, 2 cups of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of butter, half to 3/4 cups of sugar, 4 eggs of your choice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. First, in a large bowl, whip your cold heavy cream until stiff peaks form.
Is where the flavors start. Welcome to Macuse signature kitchen, where every meal is made with vision, from the spices to the flame. Every dish.
Once it's nice and fluffy, place it in the refrigerator while preparing the chocolate mixture. In a heat-safe bowl, combine the semi-sweet chocolate, water, and the butter. Place the bowl over the hot shimmery water and continue to stir.
Hear the sizzle in the pan, cooking like a master plan. Colors
As your chocolate melts, separate your eggs and set aside the yolks for the next steps.
Every plate feels just right. Simple food turned masterpiece.
one more bite you can't resist. Welcome to Macuse signature kitchen, where every meal is made with vision, from the spices to the flame. Every dish got its own name. Taste the love in every bite. Cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat. In this kitchen, life tastes sweet.
Food is love.
Allow the chocolate mixture to cool slightly for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Flavor tells a tale.
Every dish will never fail.
From the stove to your soul.
Cooking makes the spirit whole. If you're hungry, come on in. Let the flavor journey begin.
Whisk the egg yolks and the sugar together until fully combined.
Where passion meets tradition, every flavor bold and true.
Then add vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything until smooth and fully incorporated.
Every dish is a special treat. From my kitchen to your home, you'll never cook alone.
Now, I'm going to temper the eggs. Slowly add a little of the warm chocolate mixture into the egg mixture.
This is Macuse signature kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
Pour the tempered eggs mixture into the remaining chocolate mixture and stir well.
Fresh ingredients shining so bright, from the garden straight to the plate. Every little flavor we celebrate. Chop it up, mix it right. Season it with love tonight. Every dish tells a story true. Cooking magic just for you, from sunrise meals to late night.
Place the bowl back over the hot simmery water and continue stirring gently to fully cook the eggs and create a silky smooth chocolate base.
Signature kitchen, where every meal is made with vision from the spices.
Now it's time to fold in the whipped cream. Next, add the chocolate mixture into the whipped cream and carefully fold it together until it becomes light, airy, and perfectly blended. I know you guys didn't see that part, but all I did was transfer the chocolate mixer to the whipped cream. I just forgot to press play on the camera. That happens.
Hear the sizzle in the pan, cooking like a master plan. Colors dancing on the stove, every flavor starts to glow.
From sweet desserts to savory delights, every plate feels just right. Simple food turned masterpiece.
Once fully combined, cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for best texture and flavor.
Made with vision from the spices to the flame. Every dish got its own
Spoon the chocolate mousse into serving glasses.
love in every bite. Cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat. In this kitchen, life tastes sweet.
Food is love, food is art.
When you're ready to serve, garnish with a light dusting of powdered sugar, chocolate shaving, and some fresh strawberries.
Stove to your soul. Cooking makes the spirit whole. If you're hungry, come on in. Let the
And there you have it, a rich silky chocolate mousse with that little twist of Macuse signature kitchen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe. Until next time, keep cooking. Voila. Enjoy.
for you. Taste the love, feel the heat. Every dish is a special treat.